I'm gonna give a shout out to the ladies that came out for the spring fling. Can you tell me? Can you tell me where you been all my life? Oh my God. Those ladies was looking fly, smelling good. And I swear I spotted my baby mama up in there 4, 5, 6 times over. Everybody was looking good, with no drama. It was a lot of bathrooms, models out though. Those bathroom models was in the building though. Shout out to the bathroom models. Cause those bathroom models was in the building. I tell you. Can't show you no footage of the bathroom models, cause that's their business or whatever. But trust when I say they was in the building, looking good, looking good. Now, I want to talk about karma. Karma will get you all, me included. Nobody is an exception. Karma will. So play nice.
Look at all those RVs.